Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Paramount Plus app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. Paramount Plus is a subscription-based streaming app from Paramount Global. It gives you access to thousands of TV shows, blockbuster movies, Paramount Plus originals, CBS shows, Nickelodeon kids content and even live sports depending on your region. You can stream it on your phone, tablet, smart TV or web browser. First, to use it you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Then open up the app and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Choose a subscription plan, usually standard or premium depending on whether you want ad-free streaming. Once you're in, you land on the home screen with featured shows and recommendations. Now on the home screen you can see the browse and search, live TV, my list, home and profile icon right at the bottom of your page. So from the search icon right here, you can use the search bar to find shows, movies or characters. Explore categories like trending, original, movies, kids and live sport. Tap on a show or movie to see the description, episodes and trailers. Hit play to start streaming instantly. You can also download content for offline viewing when available. You can also create multiple profiles so each person has their own recommendations. Set up a kids profile with parental controls for family friendly viewing. Then you can also watch live channels like CBS or stream events like NFL, UEFA or other sports if available in your region. Then adjust video quality to save data. Turn on subtitles or change the audio language. Use the continue watching section to resume shows where you left off. You can also watch offline movies from the download section, and that is how you can use the Paramount Plus app, a one-stop streaming platform with movies, original kids content and even live sports. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.